If you're constantly battling a shiny T-zone, dealing with breakouts, or just feel like your face is an oil slick by midday, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a natural and super effective skincare routine specifically designed for oily skin. The best part. We're going to control that excess oil and keep your skin balanced and happy without any of that tight, dry, or irritated feeling. I'll show you how to cleanse, tone, moisturize, and protect your skin using gentle, natural ingredients that work with your skin's natural processes, not against them. So, why do we get oily skin in the first place? It's all about our sebaceous glands. These glands produce an oily substance called sebum, which is actually good for our skin. It helps to moisturize and protect it. But sometimes, due to things like genetics, hormonal changes, stress, or even the weather, these glands go into overdrive and produce way too much sebum. This excess oil can clog pores, leading to blackheads, whiteheads, and those frustrating pimples. And what do most of us do? We reach for the harshest, most stripping products we can find, hoping to dry out the oil. But this is actually one of the biggest mistakes you can make. When you strip your skin of its natural oils, your skin panics and thinks it needs to produce even more oil to compensate. It's a vicious cycle that just makes the problem worse. Another common mistake is skipping moisturizer. You might think, my skin is already oily. Why would I add more moisture? But oily skin can still be dehydrated, meaning it lacks water. A good, lightweight moisturizer is crucial to keep your skin hydrated and balanced. So let's break this cycle for good. First up, let's talk about our morning routine. This routine is all about protecting your skin for the day ahead. Step 1 is a gentle cleanse. In the morning, you don't need a heavy-duty cleanser. Your skin has been resting all night. A simple splash of lukewarm water or a very mild, pH-balanced cleanser is perfect. Look for cleansers with natural ingredients like tea tree oil, which is antibacterial and great for preventing breakouts, or green tea extract, which is a powerful antioxidant. The goal is to gently remove any sweat or excess sebum from the night without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. Remember to pat your face dry with a clean towel. Don't rub, as that can cause irritation. Step 2 in our morning routine is toning. Forget those old-school, alcohol-based toners that sting and burn. We want a hydrating, soothing toner. A great natural option is witch hazel, which is a natural astringent that helps to tighten pores and reduce inflammation. Another fantastic choice is rosewater. It's incredibly calming, helps to balance your skin's pH, and has mild astringent properties. You can simply spritz it onto your face or apply it with a reusable cotton pad. This step helps to prep your skin for the next products and gives you an extra layer of hydration. It feels so refreshing, especially on a warm day. Step 3 is all about targeted treatment. If you have active breakouts or are prone to them, this is the time to use a spot treatment. A natural and effective ingredient to look for is salicylic acid, which is often derived from willow bark. It's a beta-hydroxy acid, or BHA, that exfoliates inside the pore, helping to clear out clogs and reduce inflammation. Just a small dab on the affected area is all you need. Another great natural alternative is a dab of diluted tea tree oil. But be careful, tea tree oil is very potent, so always dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba oil before applying it directly to your skin to avoid irritation. Step 4 is moisturizing. Yes, you absolutely need to moisturize. The key is to choose the right kind of moisturizer. Look for a lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic formula. This means it won't clog your pores. Gel-based moisturizers are often a fantastic choice for oily skin because they absorb quickly and feel weightless. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant that draws moisture into the skin without adding any oil. Aloe vera is another amazing ingredient. It's hydrating, soothing, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Just a pea-sized amount is enough for your entire face and neck. This step is non-negotiable for keeping your skin balanced and preventing it from overproducing oil. And the final, most crucial step of the morning routine, sunscreen. This is the single best thing you can do for your skin, no matter your skin type. Sun exposure can actually trigger more oil production and worsen post-acne marks. For oily skin, look for a lightweight, oil-free, or mattifying sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. There are many great mineral-based sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide that provide excellent protection without feeling greasy. They can even help to control shine throughout the day. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. This will protect your skin from sun damage and keep it looking healthy for years to come. Now, let's move on to our nighttime routine. The evening is when your skin repairs and regenerates, so this routine is focused on deep cleaning and treatment. Step 1 is a double cleanse, especially if you've been wearing makeup or sunscreen. The first cleanse is with an oil-based cleanser or micellar water. I know, putting oil on oily skin sounds crazy, but trust me, oil dissolves oil. An oil cleanser will gently break down all the makeup, sunscreen, and sebum on your skin's surface. Massage it onto dry skin, then add a little water to emulsify it and rinse. Natural oils like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil are great for this because they are lightweight and non-comedogenic. For the second step of our double cleanse, we'll use a water-based cleanser. This is where you can use that gentle, foaming cleanser with tea tree or green tea again. This step ensures that any remaining impurities and the oil from the first cleanse are completely washed away. Your skin will feel incredibly clean, soft, and refreshed, but not stripped. This two-step process is a game changer for preventing clogged pores and breakouts. It's thorough yet gentle, which is exactly what oily skin needs. After cleansing, we move on to step 3, exfoliation. This isn't something you need to do every night. 2 to 3 times a week is plenty for oily skin. Overexfoliating can damage your skin barrier and lead to irritation. We want to use a gentle natural scrub instead of a harsh exfoliant. Look for products with AHAs like glycolic acid or lactic acid, or BHAs like salicylic acid. These ingredients work to dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath and helping to keep pores clear. You can find them in toners, serums, or masks. A clay mask, for instance, is another fantastic way to exfoliate. Bentonite or kaolin clay are amazing for drying out impurities and absorbing excess oil. Just use it once or twice a week to give your skin a deep clean. Step 4 at night is your toner, just like in the morning. A spritz of that hydrating witch hazel or rosewater will rebalance your skin's pH after cleansing and exfoliating and prep it for the next steps. It feels so nice and calming before bed. Step 5 is for your serums and treatments. Nighttime is the perfect time to use more potent ingredients because your skin is in repair mode and there's no sun exposure to worrying about. This is where you can incorporate a serum with niacinamide. Niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3, is a superstar ingredient for oily skin. It helps to regulate oil production, minimize the appearance of pores, improve your skin barrier, and reduce inflammation. Another option could be a gentle retinol, which helps to increase cell turnover and is fantastic for both anti-aging and acne. If you're new to retinol, start with a low concentration just once or twice a week to see how your skin tolerates it. Remember to only use one potent active at a time to avoid irritation. Finally, step 6 is to moisturize. Even though you might have used serums, you still want to lock everything in with a good moisturizer. You can use the same lightweight, gel-based moisturizer from your morning routine, or you might opt for something slightly more nourishing at night, as long as it's still non-comedogenic. Look for formulas with ceramides, which help to repair your skin's barrier overnight. A healthy skin barrier is key to controlling oil production in the long run, and that's it. You're ready for a night of beauty sleep, letting your skincare do its magic. So, to recap the best natural ingredients for oily skin, Look for tea tree oil, green tea, witch hazel, rosewater clay, salicylic acid from willow bark, niacinamide, and lightweight oils like jojoba. The goal is balance, not stripping your skin. Consistency is key. Stick with this routine for a few weeks, and you'll start to see a real difference in your skin's clarity and oil levels. Your skin will look less shiny, feel more comfortable, and you'll notice fewer breakouts. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful for all of you struggling with oily skin. Remember, it's about working with your skin, not against it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more natural skincare tips. If you have any questions or want to share your own favorite tips for oily skin, please drop them in the comments below. I love reading them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.